Preparing your wax treatment room should occur prior to every service. Let's take a look at the necessary steps to make your treatment room clean, orderly, and efficient. First, let's review the equipment you will need. A covered container should be used for processed items like scissors and tweezers. You can also put these items in a closed drawer. An assortment of covered containers should be included for applicators, cotton muslin strips, and cotton pads or gauze wipes. Fresh, clean towels and linens should be made available in a closed cabinet. A rolling cart for supplies will allow you to move your equipment and supplies closer to you during the service. An adjustable table and stool is preferable to maintain adequate posture for your waxing and help the client on and off the table. And one covered waste container or pedal trash can is needed for disposal of all used supplies. Now let's look at the other equipment you will need in your treatment room. For waxing, you will need at least 2 wax heaters. Always have one for hard wax and one for soft wax ready to go. Remember, preheating can take approximately 15 minutes, so be sure to turn on the heater in advance of your waxing appointments. For tweezing, it's a good idea to have tweezers both slanted and pointed, made of surgical steel to withstand disinfection. You should have 2 sets of scissors on hand, one for trimming eyebrows that can be disinfected, and another pair of sharp scissors for cutting your wax strips. Electric hair trimmers with multiple safety heads may be used to trim down long body hair before waxing. Wax applicators or spatulas can be single-use wood or multi-use nylon plastic or metal. Make sure you have enough wax applicators on hand, as double dipping is strictly prohibited. Keep hair clips on hand in an abundance for holding back any loose strands of your client's hair. A handheld mirror should also be at the ready to show off your fabulous work. You will also need these single-use items, also known as disposables. Wax strips of Pellin fiber or muslin cotton, which come in rolls at 3 inches wide. 9 face strips can be cut from 1 body strip. Bikini bottoms for bikini waxing, cotton rounds, facial tissues, aesthetic wipes, headbands, paper drapes for the treatment table or chair, paper towels, wax collars, single-use wooden wax applicators, large tongue depressor, medium or small popsicle sticks, treatment table paper rolls, and gloves. It's important to note that some disposable items like bikini bottoms and headbands may contain latex in the elastic. Make sure your client does not have a latex allergy before using them. Consumable items are items that get used up quickly. Your pre-care consumables include hand soap and bottles of hand sanitizer, any wax manufacturer's recommended products. These may include cleansers, makeup remover, antiseptic lotions like witch hazel, tea tree oil, baby powder, and numbing topical anesthetic products. The wax itself is a consumable item. Have plenty of hard wax on hand, with sufficient pellets or beads to refresh the wax periodically. Also have multiple cans of soft wax suitable for both the body and the face. Your post-care consumables include petroleum jelly, which is used for removing wax from hair or eyelashes, wax-removing lotion for the skin, calming products like aloe vera gel, salicylic lotion, arnica, and azoline. You will also want to have on hand a variety of eyebrow pencils in assorted colors, along with a pencil sharpener and disposable eyebrow or mascara brushes for your brow services. Before your client consultation, be sure to prepare all of the implements and equipment necessary to complete the requested service. This may include turning on the wax heater, assembling implements on your cart, preparing your treatment bed with paper or linens, and making sure you have enough disposable items at the ready. Be sure to refer to each specific procedure for a helpful checklist of all equipment and implements you will need. Be sure to leave enough time between appointments to turn the room over. This is the time needed to perform a thorough cleanup of the room, including the discarding of all disposable items, the changing of table linens, and the cleaning and disinfecting of tools and implements. A clean room is an efficient room, so be sure to keep your treatment room well stocked and ready to service your next client.